Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix or how you can fix the FIFA 23 not launching on your Steam. So first, what we are going to do is to run FIFA as the administrator. So make sure that you are launching the game from an admin account. Now if that's the case, select the FIFA 23.exe icon and press the right click button. From there on, you have to select the Run as Administrator option, and this will allow you to use all the privileges and permissions of an admin, which might be restricting you from playing FIFA 23. Next one is to disabling antivirus and Windows Firewall. So antivirus programs in Windows Firewall can have an impact on the game, and can stop you from starting the game flawless. So make sure that you turn them off, at least temporarily, and try again. So next one is to update graphics drivers. So startup issues occur when your installed graphic drivers are not updated. So always make sure your graphic drivers are installed on the latest version. To do this, you can go to AMD and NVIDIA official websites to download the latest drivers. Once you have installed the updated drivers, launch FIFA 23 to check if the issues still persist. And next one is to reinstall AntiCheat program. So a method that was suggested within the FIFA community, this is to reinstall the AntiCheat program. So you can follow the steps that is that on your screen right now, or what the steps that you can see right now in order to reinstall the AntiCheat program. So first, head over to the file directory of the AntiCheat program. Its default directory will be this one, the local disk program files EA and AC. And then next one is to go and launch the AntiCheat program and select the uninstallation option. The next one, you have to run the Steam or Origin launcher to start the FIFA 23. And as you start the FIFA 23, the AntiCheat program will be reinstalled automatically, and restart your PC and launch the game again. So make sure to choose the Run as Administrator option as you launch Steam or Origin launcher. So remember that you can always pause this video and follow the steps that you can see right now, and go on your own time or on your own pace. Next, what you can do is to reinstall FIFA 23. So if you have tried all the previous steps that showed earlier, FIFA 23 does not start, there's still only one option left, and some game files may be damaged beyond repair. So the last option is to reinstall the game and then try again. So that is all for this video, and good luck getting FIFA to run. So if you like this video, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.